Alright, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we want to see how professionally we can fix this 3-pin 13 amp block, 3-pin 13 amp block. We see this is the fuse. We call it cartridge fuse with a terminal. And then here is the earth, and on the left is the neutral. Now before then, you have to check whether this cartridge fuse is working by using multimeter. So on the screen, this is the multimeter. We saw that we are seeing that this is the rotary switch. This is what we are going to turn. So we'll turn it to what? Continuity. Alright, so this is the continuity position. Then on the multimeter, we have common. So we are going to put our live. We are going to put our black to common and put our live to V ohms milliamp. Since now we turn our rotary switch on the multimeter to the continuity position, which is the buzzer, when we test, we'll hear a continual sound, which will continue beeping. We'll only hear a continuous sound beeping. So let's see. When we put one here and also the black here, we'll hear continual beeping. That means our cartridge fuse is working. So let's check. So you see, one is at the other side, and that means it's working. So now that we see that our cartridge fuse is working, let's see how we can connect this. So on the screen, we can see a cable which is labeled green and yellow. So this is called CPC, Circuit Protective Conductor. That is what we normally pick it from the distribution board at block terminal. So we are going to connect it to this side. We'll connect it to the middle, this side. Why we connect the earth first is that we need to give grounding first. Just like when you are connecting an energized, when a wiring or maybe a house is energized, and you are connect the earth first to give a grounding. Very, very important. So let's see how we can connect it. Alright, so this is how the connection is. We saw the middle one at the top here is the earth. So we've connected the cable, which is labeled yellow and green, to this middle side. Alright, so let's see how the neutral also be connected. Normally, after connecting the earth, you connect the neutral before the live. So let's see how the neutral is also connected. So we have our neutral cable. So this is our neutral cable, and this is the conductor. We are connecting the conductor to the left hand side of the terminal. So let's see how the connection goes. Alright, so we see the neutral is also connected to the left hand side of the terminal. Alright, so you see the neutral is black. The neutral is black, as we see. The neutral is black, and the earth is yellow and green. So now we are going to the live side. This is the live side. So let's see how that connection is also good. And that one, we are going to use brown to do that. Here we're supposed to use blue, but for this video sake, we use black. We can use blue also for neutral here. So let's consider this as blue for neutral. So we are going to connect brown here as the live. Let's see how the connection goes. Let me say this. Although this video I'm not only doing for only electrical professionals only, I'm doing it so that you as even anyone at all can master this connection and do it. Since you call a professional to wire your house and he has done it accordingly to the standard, I believe when you connect this, it will work just as the professional will do. But let me say this. We see this brown color. It goes with blue color. So the brown in single phase is what? Live. And this black supposed to be blue. But this video, I'm using black as what? A neutral. And then yellow and green remain the same as the earth. Alright, so this is how the connection finally look like. Live connected to where the cartridge fuse is. Yellow and green color cable is connected to what? The middle at the top here. And then black connected to the left hand side terminal. So this is how it is. Now we are going to close it and then we'll test it. We can see this cover has two terminals. And then we have an LED light, indication light that will indicate. When we cross it and we put it on, one side will go to the left side and one side will go, when we turn it this way, since the live is at the right hand side, this spring, this side will go to the left hand side and this side will go to the neutral side. So definitely when live and neutral, live is connected to one terminal and live is connected to one terminal and neutral is connected to one terminal of this LED, it will definitely come on. So let's cross it and test our plug if it is working. Alright, so after crossing it, this is how we have it. This is what we have finally. Don't be confused. When you turn it this way, just like how the socket is, this will be the one at the right hand is what? The live. The one at the left is the neutral. And this at the top here is always, the top one is always long. So the longer side is what? The earth. So don't be confused. When you turn it this way, live will be at the right side and then neutral will be at the left side. But when you turn it this way, the live rather will be at the left side. So we can see that it is written L. If you can check well, there is L here and then there is neutral here. But when you turn it this way, you see live will be at the right hand. So let's plug. When we plug, you see that this indication light here will show, or it will light, is going to illuminate, and we'll see that this is working. So this is our socket. You see the right hand side is the live and this side is the left and the top is what? The earth. That is the longer side. So let's plug it and see. When we plug it and turn it on, we see the light is on. When we put it off, the light is off. When we turn it on, the light is on. Continue to follow me for more practical or for more practice. We are going to more practice on this video. Continue to follow me. Continue to like my videos and share my videos. Bye for now.